Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair channel, where my job is to save you money. This morning I'm working on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport Unlimited with a 6-cylinder 3.6 liter automatic 4x4, and that is just a very nice looking Jeep. Unfortunately, like any other vehicle, it doesn't matter how nice they are going to develop some issues. And the issue that we're going to be addressing today, it is related to let me show you guys. They only have 20,000 miles, so let me close the door. It's going to be related to that light right there, the stop start light for the engine. Anyhow, so we're gonna be addressing that. So far, what it indicates is the auxiliary battery, it is weak or bad, so we're gonna bring you along how we're going to replace it and troubleshoot it, so we can confirm the problem, so we can just fix it. All right, so I'll do as much as I can to show you the best angles, so please stay with me. First thing what we need to do is to remove the main battery. Okay, that's going to be 10 millimeters, and another one that already is being removed here is 10 millimeter as well. So let's get right to it. Let's put this out of the way. That thing over there. The next thing is going to be removing the fuse box. Okay, fuse box, because the battery on this vehicle is going to be right underneath this box. It's right here. It's gonna be a 5/16 socket or 8 millimeter. Let me get that real quick. Here. Oh. Nope. Okay, so it's going to be a 9:30 seconds. So at least that is what I'm using now. Okay. Next. one's loose. There's a 10mm there. There's nothing on that one. At least in this vehicle, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 4, there's nothing in it. Everything else is just power. Okay, this is out now. This is off, so we're gonna continue removing this part. Here is going to have more 10mm. One, I think I got like 4, 2, 3. So we are going to remove those so we can just lift this part. Let's see if I can get a better angle for the camera. But I guess I don't have it right now. That is a small one. Let's see. Okay, so now it's like the last one here, the third one, the only 3. It is 932s or 7mm, I believe. Don't lose those nuts. Stay there. Now we have another what is this? 10mm. One. Oh my goodness, so many cables. 1, 2, right there. So I'm gonna remove those 2. Okay, there are 2 more here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now this should be able, yeah, all this. So we need to reroute these cables for now, and the battery should be right underneath here. So let me place the camera. Yep, it's right right there. Okay, so we're gonna pop this containers. This is out right there, and the battery is right here. All right, so it's a 10 millimeters. Battery is right there, 10 millimeter. So we're gonna remove it, and we've got to test it. Because it's right here. Right there for a second. Let me come down. So it's right here. So we're gonna charge it, and this is the original battery. I want to test it. If the battery is not good, it's 4 years old, it could be just not good, the age of the vehicle, we are going to just replace it. Okay, I'll continue the video. Alright guys, so this is the battery that we got. Finally we got the new one. Originally the one to come with the car is 12 volts. It is AGM, obviously AGM battery. It's 200 cold cranking amp. This one has 230 cold cranking amp, so it's a little bit stronger than the other one, so hopefully this is going to be a good choice for the customer. So anyhow, let's put things back together. This new battery did not come with the studs. I'm reusing the ones from the previous battery. So anyhow, let's put everything back together so we can test it. So I'm gonna place the camera. Hopefully I can just bring you along and show you. If you know, I will put things back and I will readjust the camera soon. There. Let me get a different angle so you guys can see better. Alright guys, so the battery is in. Get nice and tight. Both of them, make sure you cover the positive side of the battery, the terminal. So next, we got to start putting things back so we can just get things back on track. Let's go through this. I'm gonna move this thing out of the way. There, cover. Okay, so we got this thing all back there, and for this cover there are 4 bolts. They're 10mm. They're where this one's Wrangler. We have to install those right here. Next thing, we have to get all this stuff off this connection. It's gonna go like that. This one, I believe, goes like this. Let's install this cover. The two nuts goes towards the front of the car, and this one tiny bolt like this goes to the back, to the firewall. Remove this. I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. Last one goes here, and I believe that was a 7:32. Oh no, I'm sorry, 9:30 seconds. Done. Okay, this is gonna all by itself. To install this, be careful, take your time, don't worry about trying to get everything, set up at once. Just take your time. Okay, so everything is out of the way, goes down. I'm going to use the same thing in 9:30 seconds here. Go slow, make sure that bolt is going to go in nice and easy. Nice. So everything goes nice. Everything goes cross-threaded. Let's see. There it is. Nice tight. Tight. Perfect. You don't have to overdo it. Okay, the next is going to go 1, Okay, so what's going on here? All right, let me check the cables right now so I can just get everything done. All right, guys, so install all these cables and terminals. Now, one of the things here, each terminal is gonna have like a guy that is not gonna fit in any other group here, so you don't have to worry about it. Just make sure you you put the one that goes here. This one is only one guy. It fits in this big one. The other one have a little bit different one, two close to each other, the other one separate, and so on. So just place it there and tie the nuts. Now we are going to install the big battery here. So let's place the camera somewhere there. All that here is done. The lash, good. Let's take this out of the way. Let's move this out of the way. Always remember to pay attention to the battery orientation here. It is very, very important. So let me get a flashlight. Okay, this battery, it is not the right battery for the car. So we're gonna install it so we can test it. I'm gonna call the customer and let them know that this is not the right fit for the vehicle. So we can just get the correct one. It's always something. Right. Okay, good. Okay. So that stuff is done. So let's go inside and confirm that light did not return. Right there, it is gone. Great. So I gotta add some more fuel to the vehicle. Gonna look at the battery for the proximity key, so that can go away. Then now that the whole system is working 100% because of the voltage, both batteries are working, then we can go ahead and tackle every other issue, like the tire pressure monitor sensor right here. It seemed like two sensors are working but two not, so now we can go look at it. And lastly, we got to check this airbag system. So again, if you like this video, please give it a thumb up, like the video, leave your comments down below. and I will do my best to reply to you as soon as I can. Again, do your best, forget the rest, find the evidence, get the car fixed correct the first time, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Later.